in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 8, reformulated poetically. O sovereign of the skies, how grand! Your name resounds beneath the stars. From infants' lips, your strength extends. Beyond the moon, where silence mars, when I behold the heavens span, the work of fingers finely wrought, the moon and stars in vast expanse. What is man that you give thought? Yet, man is crowned with glory bright, a little lower than divine, with honor robed and majesty. O'er all creation, reign and sign, the flocks and herds and beasts of field, the birds of air, the fish of sea, all that the paths of oceans yield, under his sway as you decree. O Lord, our Lord, how excellent! In all the earth, your name proclaimed, your majesty a firmament, from age to age remains unchanged.